here to introduce the safety features of the Turboknife X. First, the slide mechanism has a lock on it, so the blade cannot be extended without first pushing this button to the left, then extending. This is a great safety feature to avoid unnecessary opening of the knife in your pocket. Again, push the slide button to the left and extend. This knife has 3 positions: closed, middle open, fully extended. When the blade is fully extended, it cannot be removed. This is an additional safety feature. The blade can only be changed in the middle position. Simply push the button and remove the blade. In the extended position, the blade cannot be removed. So there's 2 great safety enhancements for the Turboknife X.